Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Montbretia School. Today in class 5 EVS, we will continue with chapter number 2. Now, let us come to joints. A joint is a connection between two or more bones. Now, a place where a bone is connected to another bone is called a joint. Two bones are joined and held together with the help of a tough fibrous tissues called as ligaments. Ligaments are the tough fibrous tissues which helps the two bones to join together. Now, in our body, all the joints are movable except the joints found in the skull. In our body, joints are movable. All joints are movable except the joints found in the skull. Now, types of joints. There are 4 types of joints. Movable joints. There are 4 types of movable joints in the body. First is the hinge joint. Now, this joint moves like the hinges of a door. Hinge joint moves like the hinge of a door. The bones connected through a hinge joint can move only in one direction. The bones which are joined through a hinge joint can move through only in one direction, and it is found in the elbow, knee, toes, and finger. Our elbow, knee, toe, and finger joints are the example of hinge joints. Now, next, let us come to ball and socket joint. Now, in ball and socket joint, in this type of joint, one bone which has a ball-like end fits into the hollow socket of another bone. This helps the bone in having movement in several directions. You can see here, this bone is having a ball-like end and it fits into the hollow socket of another bone. This helps the bone in having movement in several directions. The hip joints and shoulder joints are example of ball and socket joint. Now let us come to pivot joint. Now, the type of joint between the skull and the first two vertebrae of the spine is called as the pivot joint. This joint allows the skull to move up and down and also from side to side. We can move our skull from up and down and also from side to side due to presence of pivot joint. Next, we are coming to gliding joint. This joint allows the gliding movement over two flat bones. This joint allows the gliding movement over two flat bones. These joints are found in the wrist, ankles, and also between two vertebrae of the spine. We can bend forward and bend backward because of the gliding joint between the vertebrae of our backbone. Gliding joints, due to presence of gliding joint, we can bend forward and backward direction, as gliding joint is present between the vertebrae of our backbone. So students, you will read this joint part of the chapter. Let me show you the book. We will continue with the chapter in our next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.